Hello, my name is Owen and today I'll be demoing to you my Module 3 project. So I decided to build a web application based on the Django, and it uses my Module 1 database that I developed, which was a Supabase database. So just like you can see, these are the pages of my web application. So it has basically 4 pages: the home page, packages page, and the booking page and the admin page. So on the home page you have the 3 packages that are offered: the basic package, standard package, and the premium package. So I'll go ahead and try to make one booking and we see if it will be registered in my database. Here is my database. You can see it currently has these. So I'll create another one for testing. I'll call it test demo. And I'll give you the phone number I'll use this, and the email I'll use this. Just change a little so that it is registered successfully on queue. Then the date of the event will be, let's say, 31st December. And from here is where you select the packages from. These are the 3 packages. So I'll select the premium, and there is a provision if you want to add a DJ, or if you don't want to add a DJ, you can add here some notes here. And so the user is called test demo. So I will submit it. So it has been submitted successfully. So I'll log into the admin and we see if we can see it on the admin dashboard. So for the admin, it requires auth for you to access the admin page. So you use a code to log in. So when we log in, we can see test demo has been created. So if it has been created, you can go ahead and confirm the booking or you cancel. So for our demo purposes, I'm going to cancel this so that we see what happens when we cancel. So when you cancel, it should appear as cancelled. And besides this, it also has filters where you can filter what you want to see. So let's view cancelled only. So when we try to view cancelled only, we see there are 2 cancelled bookings. So basically that's the web app I was able to build, and here are the code files. So this is our settings file, which has the settings of the page. You can set the time zone, the language, and the views are right here. You can see the functions that are handling the web app. Yeah, so my code meets all the requirements of this project that are required for us to fulfill. You can see it's over. It's close to 400 lines of code here, just in this file, and I was able to link it to my previous modules, module 1, basically the database, from here in the .env file. Thank you.